How to fix Cox Modem blinking white. A blinking white light on your Cox modem usually indicates that the modem is stuck in a reset loop and unable to establish a connection to the Cox network. Begin by inspecting the power supply. Ensure the power adapter is not faulty, as inconsistent power flow can prevent the modem from booting properly. Examine the power cord for damage such as kinks and exposed wires and replace it with a high quality cord if needed. Plug the modem into a different wall outlet to rule out issues with the current outlet or circuit. Avoid using surge protectors that may interfere with the modem's power requirements. Overheating could be a cause, so check that the modem has sufficient ventilation. If the issue persists, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button on the modem's back panel for at least 10 seconds. This will restore default settings. Test with a new power adapter of the correct voltage and ampere to ensure the adapter is not the problem. Inspect and replace the coaxial cable connected to the modem, as a damaged cable can disrupt the connection to the Cox network. If you have access to another modem, swap it temporarily to verify whether your current modem is faulty. Hope you understood the topic. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.